This is a fledgling or a young pied butcherbird. Started visiting a couple of days ago. Just took a bunch of photos, and that's him warbling away, testing out his new voice. That's him. That time of the year, babies are coming. We've got lots of baby magpies around, baby corellas, or young corellas. They're not babies, they're fully feathered fledglings. But this is the sound of a young pied butcherbird. Came with one of its parents earlier. The parents have taken off. He had a drink just before. He was on the water feeder. The water feeder down there. And now, as I say, he's testing his voice out. You can hear the familiar pied butcherbird call. He's flown over to the fence. And he's in the bushes somewhere, so we'll say goodbye. In the middle of those bushes. If I can get round, don't know. I can see him, but I don't know if he'll come out in this video. Okay, catch you later, little fella.